Hi children, welcome back to World of Learning. Okay, in previous class what we have discussed? We have discussed about our skin, isn't it? Oh, isn't it? Okay, we had discussed about our skin. By the topic of our skin we have completed our third lesson. Yes or no? We have completed our third lesson or second lesson? No, third lesson. Okay, my dear children, once again we will revise once again. We will revise third lesson. What are the topics we have covered it? We will once again we will revise. Okay, okay. Now, what is our third lesson? Tell me the name of the lesson. Our skin. No, what? Our sense organs. Our sense organs. Our third lesson name is our sense organ. Now how many sense organ we have? We have 5 sense organs. Yes or no? We have 5 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. What are they? Tell me children. What are they? What are they? Eyes, eyes, ears, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Yes or no? We have how many sense organs? We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Yes or no? Any other else? Any other sense organs is there? No, only we have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. What is the use of the eyes? To see. To see. How many eyes do we have? Tell me. How many eyes do we have? Tell me children. We have 2 or 3? 2 eyes. We have 2 eyes. What is the use of the eyes? To see the things around us. Yes or no? Now, coming to second one, ears. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. Yes or no? What is the use of the ears? To hear or to listen the different kinds of sounds. Yes or no? Next, nose. How many nose we have? 2 nose. No, this is one nose, this is one nose. No. How many nose? Only one nose we have children. Yes or no? We have 2 holes but we have only one nose children. Okay, isn't it? Next, tongue. How many tongue you have? One tongue. 2 tongue. One tongue. What is the use of the tongue? To taste the food items. Yes or no? Sorry, we forgot what is the use of the nose? To smell or to breathe. Yes or no? Next, skin. How many skins we have? No, skin covers entire body. Yes or no? Skin covers entire body. It is a fabulous bag. No? Now, what is the use of the skin? To feel. To feel hot, cold, or soft or hard things. Yes or no? Soft touch, hard touch, or soft or hard things. To feel the things. To feel the things. Yes or no? To feel the thing. If we touch hot glass, what we will feel? We will feel cool. No, we will feel hot. We will touch. If we touch one cold water, If we touch that glass, what our skin feels? Coldness. What our skin feels? This glass is very cool. Yes or no? From which sense organ we are getting that feel? From the skin. This is our 5 sense organs. Yes or no? Okay. Now children, all of you open your textbook, page number 14. Okay. Open your textbook, page number 14. Open page number 14. Just open your book. No need to take the pencil. Okay. These beats you will send through the video. Okay. Miss will send the pic of this page. That time you can write your textbook. Now I am just explaining the what are the bits you have. Okay. Now no need to write. Just you listen. Okay. See, first one what they have given? Words I learned. First one, dim, not bright. Dim means not bright. Dim light, sometimes we will say no, the light is dim, we cannot see. Means not bright, that which we cannot see, which we cannot do work under that light. Dim, not bright. Entire, entire means full. Entire means full. Our skin covers entire body, means full of our body. Okay. Next, sharp, having a very thin pointed tip. Yes or no? Sharp objects having thin point. Thin point. If needle is there. Okay. Is the needle totally sharp? No. This is the needle. For some, this is the needle. Here only the thin point is there. Yes or no? If we touch, if we put our finger here, now what we will get? We will get blood. Yes or no? This is the thin. That is called sharp object, having a very thin pointed tip. This is the tip. This is the tip. Not the entire needle will be thin. Even not the entire needle will be sharp. No, only the tip of the needle. Only the tip of the needle. Okay. Having a very thin pointed tip. Now next one, I learn and I answer. What is the A bit given? Name these sense organs. Name these sense organs. They have given the different types of sentences. How many sentences they are given? They are given 3 sentences, and by reading that sentence, we have to identify which sense organ. Which sense organ, through that we can do the things. Okay, we have to, by reading the sentence, we have to identify which sense organ is used for that. Okay children? Okay. First one, what they have given? It help us to taste the sour taste of lemonade. Means from which sense organ we will taste the things? Through our tongue, isn't it? Through our tongue only, children? Through our tongue. See, it help us to taste the sour taste of lemonade. And they have given dash. What is this answer? We cannot taste through our eyes, we cannot taste to our nose, we cannot taste to our ears. Then what is the answer? Tongue. T-O-N-G-U. Isn't it? This is the spelling of tongue only, no children? Yes or no? What is the tongue spelling? T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Now second bit, what they have given? It help us to smell flowers. Smell flowers. And they have given dash. It help us to smell flowers. Through which sense organ we can smell? We can smell the things through our eyes, through our ears, through our mouth, through our skin. No. Which sense organ, children? Tell me. Through our nose. What is the answer here? Nose. Now all of you children tell me the spelling of nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. It helps us to smell flowers. Which sense organ? Through which sense organ we can smell the things? Through nose. Now next one. Third one. They help us to see the stars. They help us to see the stars. See the stars in the sky. They help us to see the stars in the sky. Which sense organ through we can see? Which sense organ? Through our eyes. Now what is the answer here? Eyes. Now children, tell me the spelling of eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. They help us to see the stars in the sky. Through which sense organ? Eyes. Okay. Have you all understood? Okay. Once again we will read. Look into the board all of you. It helps us to taste the sour taste of lemonade. Which sense organ? Tongue. It helps us to taste the sour taste of lemonade. Tongue. Okay. Second one. It helps us to smell flowers. Nose. It helps us to smell flowers. Nose. It helps us to smell flowers. Nose. Now third one. They help us to see the stars in the sky. Eyes. They help us to see the stars in the sky. Eyes. They help us to see the stars in the sky. Eyes. Okay. In first bit you have to write tongue. Second one nose. Eyes. I think you have all, you understood this one. Okay. Have you all understood, children? Okay. Very good. Now, the B bit, what they have given B bit? B bit we have to correct the sentence. They have given one wrong word and the word is underlined. We have to change that word. Isn't it? Yeah, yes. Now, the underlined words in the sentences are incorrect. Replace them with the correct word. Yes or no? First sentence what they have given? They have given like this. How? First one. Our body has six sense organs. Our body has 6 sense organs. They have given like that, no? Our body has 6 sense organs. Isn't it correct? This is correct, children? Correct? No, this is wrong. Our body has how many sense organs? 5 sense organs. Our body has, you no need to write this all. Like this they have given, no? In the dash, our body has how many sense organs? 5 sense organs. Our body has 5 sense organs. Yes or no? They have given our body has 6 sense organs. Is it true? No, it is false. Our body has 5 sense organs. Our body has 5 sense organs. Now second one, what they have given? Our nose help us to feel different things. Is it true, children? Our nose helps us to feel different things. Our nose helps us to feel different things. Is it true? No, it is wrong. Through which we can feel? Through which sense organ we can feel the things? Through our skin. Through our skin. Now, what we have to write? Our skin helps us to feel different things. Our skin helps us to feel different things. Yes or no? Through our skin we can feel. Not by our nose, not by our ears, not through anything. Okay. Now third one, what they have given? We taste our food with our eyes. Isn't it? This is true? No, this is false. We taste our food with our tongue. With our tongue. We taste our food with our tongue. Yes or no? We taste our food with our tongue. Not by eyes, not by ears, not by our nose. We taste our food with our tongue. Yes or no? Okay, we will read this one. Our body has 6 sense organs. In your exams also they will give like this. You have to write the character. Instead of 6 you have to write 5. Instead of nose you have to write skin. Instead of eyes you have to write tongue. Okay, children? Our body has 6 sense organs. Our body has 5 sense organs. Yes or no? Our body has 5 sense organs. Second one, our nose helps us to feel different things. Our skin helps us to feel different things. Okay. Our skin helps us to feel different things. Next one. We taste our food with our eyes. We taste our food with our tongue. We taste our food with our tongue. Okay. Have you all understood? Okay. Now, by today, we have completed our third lesson and we have completed our third lesson textual exercises also. Okay. Up to today, we have completed our third lesson. In coming days, I will teach you about fourth lesson. What is our fourth lesson? What we eat. Okay. In coming classes, we can see. Okay. Today, your home task is you have to read and practice page number 14. Okay. The A bit and B bit you have to practice. Okay. What I have teach you have to practice. Okay, children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you all.